Hello everyone! It is time to put all of our items that we have recently thrifted together. So hang out with me while we decorate for Christmas. First things first, we are going to be making a sign, and this is a music sheet sign, and it's going to be made to look vintage and just really give a classic Christmas feel to the decor. I thought that it would fit right in with everything that I'm using this year, and I just really loved the way that this turned out. I followed a Pinterest as well as a YouTube tutorial, and I have linked both of those in the description box below. Moving on to the mantle, we're really going to be making this a vintage Christmas look by adding greenery as well as some classic Christmas bows. And this year I wanted to use a darker red. I just really liked the tone and how that fits in with everything that we've thrifted and found, as well as that wonderful tree skirt that I'm excited to use. And thank you so much to my mother-in-law who brought in all of this fresh greenery. I think it just adds the most special touch to the mantle, as well as these beautiful bows that she makes so well. And because we cannot leave the PlayStation as our main focal point here, we are going to be covering that up. And I am always brainstorming on how I want to cover that up, and I thought about it overnight and came up with this. I had another of those classic Christmas records to use, and it fit perfectly over the PlayStation, and I am very happy with how this turned out. Lastly, we will be putting our beautiful little tree in this corner, and because it's a smaller corner, we actually have one of those tall, skinny trees. It's not very full, but we are going to be using other elements to fill it out this year, such as ribbon, and of course, all of our lovely thrifted ornaments that we found. I have compiled the ornaments, and I wanted to share these with you guys before I put them up. A few days ago, I went to Goodwill and saw these beauties. I loved the red. I thought it matched our other red ones we got. And then the fact that it had some gold, gonna match to the brass. And then these as well. And each of these were $3. So I got these lovelies and 2 boxes of those, and then 2 boxes of these. I also got some greenery that I put outside on my porch, and super inexpensive and will last the whole winter time. And then let's not forget our awesome brass ornaments and our beautiful beaded ornaments. I had forgotten that my husband and I got a couple of these disco balls too, so we may work those in. And then these are some that we had on our tree last year, like Baby's First Christmas, us, and just some other little special ones. So I will be including those as well. I'm so pleased with how everything came together, and all of our items really ended up working out next to one another. That's always nice to see something that's in your head really come to fruition. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.